Alright kids, where am I today? Anybody? Anybody? I got a different shirt on, so this must be another day. Anybody? It's you? No, we're not in New York City. Where else? Anybody? Yes, if you said the Alamo, you'd be correct. You remember the Alamo, don't you? We're gonna go inside, take a look around a little bit, and really quickly, and we're actually got some new construction here. Could be bathrooms, no telling. But we're gonna go in there. They actually got a nice big monument right in. Oh, on the other side of those trees. I'll take a picture of it. It'll be in the picture section maybe. Take a look at that. So if you look at the front of the Alamo, you'll see a kind of a distinctive line going from right here, and it goes about a foot above this column here. It goes all the way across. That's because that was actually the original building. The rest of this was added on to it after the whole battle and everything. So it's actually been built in stages. So it really didn't look like this, although iconically we know it looked like this. It didn't look like this during the big Alamo occupation, where all those people died. And then of course inside here there were statues. Main room here. That's a little, actually never went to this area here before. Lots of open areas. No flash photography. I guess it's because they don't want you to bug anybody else, but this is the inside of the main church, also known as the Alamo. This is the iconic building itself, and people are talking and giving tours. He's got a picture of the main map there of how it was set. There's a couple of real nice wall here that give you a timeline of things that happen. Birthplace of the Republic, early statehoods, something about Travis. Cool stuff. So there's a big outside fencing area that looks like this. There are some open areas to go walk around that aren't half bad. Partly because this is a Tuesday. The other thing is this is the afternoon, and it just rained this morning. So there's not nearly as many people that was here last time I was here. This is actually a gift shop. All this old building is. And of course we all know that the actual Alamo itself was actually the church, which is just the backside of it here. And this of course is one portion of the Riverwalk here in San Antonio, what it's famous for. It actually goes for several miles. There's lots of restaurants and shops like we're eating over there. Definitely on this side. And there's lots of bridges for crossing over. This has really worked out well for my little trek here in San Antonio. I was able to go to Scottish Rite Center. Wish I got another video without that. You can see it right there. Scottish Rite, yeah, right there. And then I was able to go to the Alamo, which you'll see. Oh well, you just saw that. I just took you from there. But anyway, this is another part of the Riverwalk. Actually came down it from the Alamo, didn't cross the river, and just took a left. And they have boat tours, so you can jump on that boat taxi and take you to the other end if you want to go. It's more for the ride than it is, but excellent areas to walk, nice and wide and pretty. And during that taxi tour, they'll talk to you about it. Definitely a taxi. Just cool. It's nice to come down here for. I will say this: it rained today, so it is warm. It's very, very humid, and very humid. Comes another boat. So here's a statue of Teddy Roosevelt. How come there's not a statue of a Santa Anna? Didn't he win this battle at the Alamo? Sorry, was it too early?